When we get old, we are just waiting that that is coming near. Because it will happen one day. We don't know what day and how it will happen. So I have seen that gone suddenly. My son gone. I never thought that I will stay longer. I always thought that my husband will stay longer because his family history is going above 100 years. I was thought that he will be there. He gone. So you never know. We should be thankful for every moment and spend more happily time. No regrets should be there. You will love this life more. You will love this life more.
All right, guys, welcome to another Sunday Funday with your boy Dudley Do Right. We come to you live every Sunday and talking about things that's going on in the world, and also that's what's going on with Dudley Accounting Services, my accounting firm. I'm Ellis Dudley. I'm the owner and founder of Dudley Accounting Services, where we provide tax accounting and general accounting. And boy, was I excited to get on here and share some things with you guys this Sunday. So today is July 19th. So what are you doing to enhance your life and to move yourself forward? I know a lot of you guys who want to get started in business and different aspirations that you have. What is holding you back? Who are you waiting on to, give you that approval to do your thing? Just a testimony of myself, when I started these YouTube videos and getting on here live, I was nervous. I didn't really have a business model. Now that I'm getting on here and sharing lives with you every Sunday on my Sunday Funday, and then I have my Dudley Accounting Services website, which I'm about to show you right now, actually, it makes it 10 times easier to actually find my purpose and to actually, implement my purpose in life. So I strive to inspire people to do things that they've never done before and to live their dreams. Really, do what you are set out to do in this life. And if you don't know your purpose yet, definitely try to find it. We all have a purpose in life. So I definitely want to get on my website here. Let me share my screen with you guys. Feel like one of those old people. I was born in 1990, so I guess I'm an old guy. I'm 29, so all this new technology stuff is working. I would say is working for me, but I'm a little not slow, but I'm not like super fast at it like TikTok or anything like that. So moving right along, I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. We're broadcasting this from Zoom and Facebook. So we're in Facebook Live using Zoom, so it allows me to share my screen. Boy, was I excited to do this with you guys. Let's see. So here is my website. And just, just to start off, I'm gonna share this video with you guys and such. What we're gonna be talking about today really quickly is the $10,000 that you had or $1,000 that you have. It proves that you actually have an up and running business. Let's restart this for you guys listening. We're gonna get it from the beginning. So this is my website at Dudley Accounting Services. Visit it. Go ahead and visit my YouTube channel at Dudley Do Right, and boom, see, I got 11 subscribers. Look at me, I'm doing it. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Visit my accounting website at dudleyaccountingservices.com and listen in, guys. What we're going to be talking about today really quickly is the EIDL loan. That has been definitely a trending topic. The EIDL loan and also the PPP loan has been a trending topic for a lot of business owners out there. So first and foremost, I can't wait to get to it. So I'm going to talk about it now. The EIDL loan is now open to small business owners, as before it was only open to agricultural type of businesses. So a lot of people got in there, they got, to the EIDL loan and they submitted it, and some people committed fraud.
you know, and the sad thing about it, they went and had to close it down. So you can't get the $10,000 advancement now until they open it back up. But for those of you guys who got the EIDL loan and you don't have a history of financial statements, or you don't have like a business bank account like that, we help you out with that at Dudley Accounting Services. So if you got the EIDL loan, or if you got the advancement, you got $10,000, say you got $10,000, but you're afraid, you know, because you got all this money now and you're only supposed to get $1,000. The thing is with the EIDL loan, and this is why it's so, you want to like guard your ass from getting an audit, is only supposed to be spent on operational expenses. So if you can justify, you know, the reason why you spent the money on an operational expense for your business, you know, is 9 times out of 10 you're going to fail an audit. And we're trying to help companies, you know, and people out there, individuals who are self-employed, working for themselves, actually have a set of financial statements and actually have like a business bank account. You know, these things are going to prove that you actually spent the $10,000 that you had or $1,000 that you have. It proves that you actually have an up and running business. So get to us ASAP. If you got the EIDL loan and you don't know what to do to kind of get the grant and stuff, definitely reach out to us. PM me right now, you know, take action right now. Shoot me a message right now saying, hey, I don't know what to do. I need to get, you know, my books in order just in case if I get audited, you know, I don't want to be the one to go to prison. So definitely get to us at calendly.com/worksmarter. And also you can hit me up on here as well. PM me, DM me right now, and we'll get you squared away. We'll let you know kind of where you're looking at. So, because we got a lot of people out there who got the EIDL loan, but now they're afraid, you know, that, you know, they got to cover their ass because, you know, they didn't have all their shit set up in a way. And if they get audited, they don't want to, you know, get in trouble with the law. So I understand. So definitely get your LLC started with us. We'll set you up from the beginning to the end. It's really important that you have, you know, your set of financial statements going forward so it can prove that you're an actually operating business, that you're not just a person that lied on your application. So.
All right, but yeah, this is my website, guys. So definitely take heed to that information. I kind of wanted to put that out there because there is a lot of fraud being committed. But this is my website. If you guys want to check out my website, we have our digital products that we are working on getting up and running for those people who don't necessarily like to do the whole one-on-one thing. We have digital products for you. And this is pretty much what we're about, you know, startups, general accounting, tax preparation, and then you have our mission statement on everything that we are about. So go ahead, check out my website at dudleyaccountingservices.com, and our market niche is real estate investors and small business organizations. So definitely hit us up on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and we're also on Instagram as Dudley Do-Right365. So if you guys want to hit us up, definitely I'm trying to funnel everybody to my website now that I have everything, and I think I have a good grasp on my systems and how I want to, you know, kind of broadcast my, you know, accounting firm. So I'm kind of funneling everybody, as you guys see my screen now. I'm funneling all of my attention to my website at Dudley Accounting Service. So people can get everything they need from one single website. So check me out. Now we're gonna get back to it. I stopped sharing my screen. Now I sound like one of those old people. Like, you can see my face now. You can see my face. We're clear. So this is our first time doing this, so we're just getting down, but we're gonna have this transition pretty smooth for you guys. But back at it, it is July 19th, guys. July 19th. What are you guys doing to advance your career, advance your future right now? Do you want to go work for somebody all your life? Do you want to start a business, you know, for yourself? Do you actually want to, you know, actually do? You know, that's what I'm all about. That's what I really like to inspire people to do, things that they've never done before, that they only dream about. It's time to start doing, guys. Time is the number one currency, and every day we are losing it every day. So use it now. So we're watching everybody get older. Every video we have, and I kind of think about it, like how fast, you know, I'm on here doing a Facebook Live with you guys on Sunday Funday, and it's like this. It's really fast, and it kind of, you know, tells you how fast life goes by. So if you guys watch my videos and you watch my Sunday Fundays and you haven't taken action, look at yourselves and really think and dig deep. What is it going to take for me to take action? Rather than watching his videos all the time, because that's all I'm preaching pretty much, is for you guys to take action. I went to school for accounting. I studied. I studied my ass off for the CPA exam. I went into public accounting just so that I can be a buffer for people who don't necessarily, have that financial literacy background, who don't necessarily have that, that mindset to grow and sustain their business going forward. So use me as a resource. That's what I'm here for, and that's what pretty much gets me going, guys. So again, like I had the video before, the EIDL grant and loan is kind of closed off for people right now. A lot of people are getting word that they're auditing people who had committed fraud on the application and stuff like that. So you definitely want to get your paper trail together. So reach out to us at Dudley Accounting Services, and reach out to me. My Gmail is ellisdud@gmail.com if you desperately need help with creating your paper trail, so you don't get in trouble with the audit. So definitely want to do that. I definitely want to be out here for you. But getting right along to the rest of the stuff that we have. So the EIDL loan for the grant money, for the free money, you have to have an operating or existing business. So you can spend all of that money that you get from the grant on operating expenses. So you definitely want to have your paper trail together, guys. I don't want anybody in trouble for this. I know a lot of people were desperate to get this. I just read Chicago blew it up. Chicago was the #1 city to commit fraud on the application for the EIDL loan, and it shut down because Chicago is a not a small city, but you don't have a lot of agricultural businesses. So it doesn't make sense for a lot of people to apply for agricultural type of businesses and get $10,000 in a loan. So they call you there if you guys need help and you got the $10,000 and you need help and to figure out what you're going to do next, so you don't get audited, so you don't go to jail, so you don't get a felony on your record. Hit me up. Reach out to me at dudleyaccountingservices.com, or reach out to me directly at 708-264-6686. I'm here to help you guys. Okay, then we have the PPP loan. The PPP loan was extended to August the 8th. So the PPP loan is for people who have employees, and it gave them money that is completely forgivable if you have employees and you record the documentation that you need to record to get the loan forgiven. We offer PPP lending consulting for businesses with employees who don't have their papers together, who don't really know how to get it completely forgiven. Again, go to my website at dudleyaccountingservices.com. Check out the video. I got it on. I got it nice and easy, nice and snappy for you guys to watch a nice video to see what's going on. What documents do you need to gather? What do you need to be prepared for to get your PPP loan forgiven? So I definitely want to be a resource to you guys. So definitely check that out on our website at dudleyaccountingservices.com. So, and basically what we want to really talk about today, I know we've been talking about this stimulus check, man, and the second stimulus check is coming. And I just keep promising myself I'm not really going to talk about it, on my channel here, because it's always, misinformation and people are getting excited and people are getting frustrated. I'm definitely getting excited and frustrated at the same time too. But like I said, January 21st, which is in 2 days, is what I've been saying every Sunday Funday. So January 21st, not January, July 21st. So that's this month, not January. July 21st is when they're going to start talking about this second stimulus check that's coming out. And there is a word that we are due stimulus money. It's a lot of YouTube videos out there that's explaining it. I won't spend too much time on it. You can go look at other YouTube videos about the stimulus check and where it is. It's just a headache for me because it's a lot of misinformation going around as far as the stimulus check. So I don't want to get anybody too excited about it. It's still the $12,000 per individual. If you are married, it's $2,400 for each dependent that you have. It's an extra $1,200 up to 3 dependents. To be eligible, all you have to do is be a U.S. citizen, and that's pretty much people who have a Social Security card or Social Security number or a green card. If you're a registered alien, you qualify for the stimulus check that's coming to you. So moving on down our list about the stimulus check. So the plans for the week. So usually we go over every week the plans for the week for Dudley Accounting Services. We usually target real estate investors and real estate professionals to kind of use that those benefits that they have. They have tremendous benefits that I love myself. That's why I love real estate. But we kind of shifted over our plans to helping people, survive this pandemic, and especially small business owners who are trying to stay afloat and they don't have as much revenue coming in. They don't have as much because they were, a restaurant or something like that, the lockdown affected their business. So we have shifted to PPP lending and also, just to get, as many resources from the government as you can to help your business survive. We have shifted our accounting firm to that. We still have our general accounting, which is bookkeeping and everything, but we have shifted straight to, not straight, but we have shifted most of our energy to lending consultation. So if you got the PPP loan or the EIDL, it's a freaking tongue twister, EIDL loan, and you need to figure out what you need to do with that to get it forgiven, the PPP or the EIDL advancement, to find out if you have, your paper trail together, if you have your income statement together. That's something that we all, try in this firm to get you established and get you going. Again, we're not going to help you commit fraud, but if you don't have your ducks in a row, we are able to help you get your ducks in a row efficiently. So hit us up, guys. So basically, our plans for the week. We're looking to hire an accounting manager. So if you have experience in accounting, such as you're good with QuickBooks, you're good with Microsoft Word, Excel, go ahead and shoot me a personal message right now when you see this. I'm really not advertising, to hire anybody directly. So, but if you see this video and accounting resonates with you and you want to be an accountant and you want to do things virtually, this accounting manager will work from home. So it's a remote position. So definitely reach out to me directly if you're interested in a accounting manager position. So again, we want people with a background in accounting, self-driven, self-motivated, excellent communication skills. You have to be able to talk, efficiently. And QuickBooks experience definitely helps, but we can still teach you guys. Proficient in Microsoft Word and Excel, and must have a laptop, must have a computer to work in the accounting world. It's only it's only fair. And then another plan for the week that we have, we're going to save, we're going to help 25 people. So 25 people secure the EIDL. That was the thing before. Now that portal's shut down, we're going to help 25 people get their ducks in a row and get their paper trail going, so they can secure, secure their business from an audit. If they get audited, we want to help 25 people out, fight that audit or fight, any uncertainties of whether they're good to go, with receiving a $10,000, advancement or whatever money that you receive that you're not sure about. So reach out to us directly at DudleyAccountingServices.com for that. And then on the other hand, we're going to help out 25 individuals, get their PPP loan forgiven. We pretty much have the system down pat to get the loan forgiven in its entirety. We just need to analyze your business entity and what you have set up and what's going on. So again, reach out to us at DudleyAccountingServices.com for a free 30-minute consultation to save your business. We really are out here doing it. We got a guy, $84,000, guys. I'm really, proud of that. We got $84,000 for this small business owner. I'm not going to go too much detail about him, just this information on here, but it's exciting. It's exciting news, guys. But again, we have the links to help you succeed always in the description. You have our YouTube channel, every social media platform we're on. It's called Dudley Do Right is our YouTube channel. So definitely go check us out. Go ahead and like and subscribe to like this video. Go ahead first and like this video right now. Go help a brother out and then subscribe to this channel. We are at 11 followers right now, which we literally just started, but I'm excited. My old 1990 birthday, but likes not 11 subscribers. So I'm pretty happy about it. But again, like I said, you want to get above the curve. If you are a person who got the, you feel like you're going to get in trouble for fraud or anything like that, reach out to us so we can talk to you and handle, the situation. Like, because it's not pretty. Like, people are out here committing fraud and all types of stuff just so they can, have some food on the table, which I understand, but you kind of want to be smart about it. So again, here's our website at dudleyaccountingservices.com. Go ahead and check us out. We do general accounting, advisory, and tax is our main things. Again, I was excited to get on here. For those of you guys who are still watching, I was super excited to get on this live and share my new Flippy-Roo screen switch thing or whatever. I hope you guys like that. But again, go ahead and check out my website. Again, we have some digital products coming for you guys. So if you guys want to do the PPP loan forgiveness by yourself, you already have your documents, together. Like, you have an amazing, Excel sheet that you can use to plug in your information and, have all the information and documents and the numbers that you need to get your PPP loan forgiven 100%. So we have that digital product. The rest of these digital products in here are not activated right now. I'm trying to work on getting those all activated, but for now we only have the PPP forgiveness plan here that's activated. But again, we also face a lot of people, when it comes tax time, they haven't kept good records. So we have a do-it-yourself tax preparation here for small business organizations who, don't necessarily know what the freaking, do, to get their records together. And then the financial statement guide for the EIDL. So people are definitely going to, need to pass the audit or, cover, protect themselves from, a conviction or anything crazy like that. And then again, we have our real estate clients that we love, our real estate investors and agents, professionals out there. We really love you guys. We have the real property cost segregation study that will be available for you guys. It's kind of a hands-on thing that we do with our real estate investors. So a lot of good things coming from Dudley Accounting Services. We're getting things together. But again, if there's any questions or comments that you have, go ahead and put them in the description. Put them below so we can get back to it. And if you like the way that we've been doing these lives, now we've been changing it. If you've been following, we've been changing how we've been doing them. If you like, the way we've been doing it with the screen share, if you don't like it, I don't, it doesn't really bother me. I just really want to hear, your thoughts. So for you guys who are interested, in building your business, if you wanting to start up and you got the stimulus money, a lot of people are on unemployment now and they're getting an extra $600 and you saved up enough money, to start your business, out here and start selling things online, start, having courses and stuff like that online. And you need a proper structure. The best thing I can tell you is to go get it professionally done. We do LLC startups. And I can tell you, if you go out and try to start an LLC yourself, 9 times out of 10, it's going to fail within the second year. A lot of people don't know that once you start an LLC or if you're self-employed, you kind of start this tax snowball. And what we want to do is save you from this tax snowball. And what was put, I heard about and seen this on TV is that Kevin Hart was in this situation. When he first started in comedy, he got paid big time. But when he got paid, he went out and he spent all the money. He didn't put away any money for taxes. He didn't pay quarterly estimated payments or anything like that. And then the second year came around, he ended up making a lot of money, but the money he was making was going to pay the taxes. And then the money he was making was also getting taxes. So he's at like 35% tax rate. That's 70% of his money was gone in 2 years. So if you want to get your LLC set up, reach out to us so we can do it right the first time for you. We are really about doing it right the first time. A lot of people try to do it like cheapy, don't do it that way. Get it done right the first time with us at Dudley Accounting Services, and we'll take care of you. We'll let you know the different things that you need to be aware of throughout the year, the records you need to have on file. Like the operating agreement is the number one thing that you need to have filed. Some things in there that you need to, disclose about, how you're going to be, your tax classification as an LLC. Do you want to be a single member LLC? Do you want to be a a limited liability company? Do you want to be a limited liability company? Do you want to be, it's all different things that you put in your operating agreement that we help people out with. So again, if you want to start your business, reach out to us. Check out our website at Dudley Accounting Services. But again, I don't want to be long, but I do want to be long because I like being on here and I like sharing my life and experiences with you guys. But that's all I pretty much got for you guys. Definitely thank you guys for coming, and share this with friends and family or buddies that you think this would be helpful to. Share it, share this, like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys next Sunday, family. Peace.